You won't believe what happened the other day. I was walking through an old junk market, just browsing, not expecting anything special. You know, the kind of place where everything is mixed. Rusty tools, old phones, broken watches. And then, out of nowhere, I saw a small box full of old rings. They looked dusty, forgotten, like no one had touched them in years. I bought a few, just out of curiosity. They were cheap, really cheap. I thought maybe I could clean them up, use them for a project, or maybe even just keep them for fun. But when I got home and took a closer look, I couldn't believe my eyes. One of the rings had what looked like a real gemstone. Clear, shiny, almost like a diamond. Another one had a deep blue stone sparkling under the light. The more I cleaned them, the more I realized these weren't just fake decorations. Some of these rings had actual semi-precious stones, maybe even real ones. It was like finding treasure in the middle of trash. It made me think, how many beautiful things are hidden in plain sight, just waiting to be discovered? So now, every time I go to the market, I look a little closer, because you never know what kind of hidden beauty you might find, even in the most unexpected places.